How to fix CapCut lag. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. If you're having issue with CapCut and the video is laggy, what you can do is go back from CapCut app and hold on to the CapCut app in your home screen. In here, click on App Info. Click on Storage and Cache, which is the third option. Click on Clear Cache. After you've done this, what you can do is open Chrome and search "Is CapCut down?" and click on this Down Detector CapCut Down website. After you're in here, it will show if your CapCut is down. If the CapCut is down, you can wait for 1 to 2 hours. If it's not down, you can simply open your CapCut now and your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix CapCut lag. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.